Hi guys, I wanted to show you what I was going to have for a bite to eat. It was around 4:30ish, and I was starved. I didn't really have anything since 10:30 in the morning when I went out to do my errands. I went to Tim's, I had a bottle of water, and I also got a chicken wrap, but I wasn't really that hungry. The heat doesn't really make you that hungry. So now I'm going to cut up some potatoes into fry form, and we're going to put some gravy on them and all kinds of goodness. So come along with me and see how it turns out. All right, everything is prepped and ready to go. We do have the green peppers right here. We have the olives, we have the cheese, we have some steak, which is actually already cubed up, and I did cook it a couple of days ago. We have the olive, which is going to go in my Dutch oven. You know the routine, you've seen that before. And I do have the potatoes, which I did cut up and put in some water. Now, saying that, guys, right as I was cooking, they turned off the water. Yes, they turned off the water. I'm guessing it's a city because there is construction going on, and no notification from superintendent, owner of the building. So I'm presuming it's just the city because there is construction going around here. So hopefully it'll be back on because I have dishes to do and I never leave dishes. I cook and do dishes at the same time. I know I'm pretty talented, but so I did have backup water is what I'm trying to tell you. And so I'm glad I had backup water in the fridge. Okay, so let's get started and make a delicious meal, shall we? Hi guys, thanks for joining me. I just wanted to pop in and have a bite to eat, and you saw me prepare the my fries with the cheese, and I don't really know if you'd call it a poutine, but basically I was hungry, needed to make something, kind of use up what's in the fridge, and so I did so because as you know, I've been posting that I'm going to Toronto tomorrow, so I'm going to see my brother, so I'm excited about that. Now, this is the first time I'm recording with a messy kitchen, only because they shut the water off. And you know what? It's eating me up inside, but you know what? Let it go. Just have a messy kitchen once in a while when they shut your water off. Not a big deal. So, how are you guys doing? I've had a good day today. I worked a lot of evening shifts, and then today was my day off to sort of prep, get ready for going to Toronto. Very hot, very hot. I do have a couple fans. I have 3 fans, like 2 ceiling fans and like another regular fan. But I'm thinking about kind of investing in another fan. Sorry, shouldn't talk my mouth full. But one of those stand-up fans that kind of rotate. You put them in the corner. I think that'd be perfect. Something like that I would love. So anyway, yeah, should be fun when I take off tomorrow. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing. But Jules, when it comes to me visiting my brother, he's always good when it comes to entertaining me, and if he needs to work or something like that, he'll put me to work for maybe a couple of hours. But anyway, but not a big deal. I like it. Gets me out and gives me fresh air and whatnot. So anyway, we'll see what the trip brings. So anyway, but yeah, no, I just wanted to pop on, say hi to you guys, and just show you what I'm cooking. Basically, whatever in the fridge and well, obviously potatoes were in the cupboard. Cook it up, when I come back Sunday. Well, I'll worry about that then. You never know. When I come back, I might have to order some takeout. There's always like a good reason to order takeout once in a blue moon. Not all the time, but once in a blue moon. There you go. Anyway, guys, I'm rambling. Thanks for watching me eat this, or watch me cook, or prepare it, I should say. Sorry. My mind's all over the joint, so I'm kind of planning. I'm thinking of what to do. So I'm not really focused on what I'm saying, but thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Go feed yourself and see what you have in the fridge. Take care.